Yes, deciding fate hadn't been tempted enough for one day, Flintoff now wanted to take a shot at the big one.
All right, how are we going, Fred? You okay?
No, I'm just turning round right at the end of the runway. I'm trying to give myself so much room.
And make no mistake, hitting 200 miles an hour in a Jag that's 30 years old would be a big ask.
Best of luck, Andrew.
Thank you very much. I'll see you in a minute. I hope.
He's off.
Come on.
He's building. He's building. He's doing a ton already.
I'm going. I am travelling.
Oh, he's missed a gear change there. He won't do 200 now.
Yeah.
No.
My foot is down. I don't know how fast I'm going. I'm not even looking.
160, 170.
I'm trying to keep my hands loose, but it's becoming increasingly difficult.
19. Oh!
Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Oh my word. Oh!
Right. How quick do you reckon you went?
I think it's the fastest I've ever been in a car. I had a glance down at one point, I was 180 and I was going faster.
I think you did 195. I don't think it was 200 though. I think it was
195?
I think it was 195.
That was a warm-up. That was a warm-up.
I think you get straight back in, get out there.
I just got to let it cool down, Pat. Oh, I tell you what.
I've never seen him like this ever.